Hey guys, Ben Holdred here with Surveyor. I'm in the Forest River studio. Really excited to walk you through the Legend 203 RKLE. This is a rear kitchen, couples coach. This is one of my favorite floor plans. You're not going to believe this kitchen when you see it. Let's talk about the length and the weight. It's just over 25 feet, 1 inch, and it's right at 5,000 pounds, just a hair over 5,000. So again, half-ton towable for sure, but can be towed by some mid-sized vehicles, very versatile. You can still take it to national parks and things of that nature. So very cool floor plan. Again, one of my personal favorite couples coaches, and this is part of the Legend series. Let's head up front so I can show you some standard features. All right, we're standing in front of the 203 RKLE, part of our Surveyor Legend series, one of my favorite couples coaches out there. Let's show you some standard features we've got up front. Standard power tongue jack, does have the manual override here, but very easy to put up and down with the electric switches here. Also a nice hitch light for you as well. We've got a holder for your 7-way plug, gets it off the ground for you out of the debris. We also have a battery disconnect that's going to be standard equipment. Plenty of room for a couple batteries up here as well. And then you've got a dual propane setup here with the cover. On all our dual axles, you're going to have a dual propane setup. Just keep that in mind. And we've got a nice utility hook here for safety chains, bikes, if you want to hook up your bikes, pet leashes, so a nice pet-friendly feature there as well. All right, we've got a brand new feature for 2023, standard tire pressure monitoring. This is going to give you, the customer, a lot of peace of mind as you're traveling down the road. We are really excited about it. It's a very good system. So what you're going to get, this is the repeater here for it, but you're going to get a module that goes inside the tow vehicle that's going to help you monitor tire pressure, but also monitor heat. And it's going to give you several alarms. If you have a fast leak or a slow leak, it's going to help you get off the road safely. So we are really excited about this setup, and you're going to see it standard on all Surveyor floor plans. Let's head around the side. I'm going to show you the pass-through area. All right, let's check out the pass-through storage area, this 203 RKLE. You're going to notice we've got slam latch baggage doors, also magnetic door catches. This is one of my favorite features. If you have little kids, you're always in and out. The cheap latches are something that's always going to break, so the magnetic catches are really nice. You've got a very clean and a full pass-through area here. As you're going to notice when you look up in here, you've got aluminum bed bases as well, just part of that durable Surveyor structure that we give you that's better than the competition. But we've got some great features up here. We've got a 3/4 inch drill bit that you're going to notice. This is going to help you assist with those manual jacks that come standard on the Surveyor Legend series. And you've also got motion lighting in the pass-through area. What's nice about that, you do have the ability to turn it just to a standard light with that toggle switch if you want. But just a huge pass-through area for whatever you want to take, fishing poles, additional equipment, anything you don't want to take inside the coach that's dirty, but a great setup there. Let's head to the entryway. I'm going to show you a couple more things. All right, let me show you a couple more standard features, some stuff we're really excited about on the door side of this unit. First thing, a brand new feature for 2023, the black glass entry door. Very cool look, but it's just a great feature all the way around. It does have a window, as you can see there, and it's prepped for a slim shade that you can get aftermarket, but it does have a friction hinge on it as well that you can see here. So if it's a windy day, it's going to stay open for you. But what I love about this, if you have kids or just people going in and out of the unit, it's just a really nice feature to have. Those door latches are going to be one of the first things to break, so you avoid that there with the friction hinge door. But just a very cool, beautiful setup we've got for 2023. Also, standard MORryde steps. You're going to have this setup along with the black glass door on every single Surveyor floor plan, if you can believe it, from our smallest all the way up to our largest units. Across the board, you're going to have these two features. MORryde step. Very easy to adjust the legs. These lift into the coach very easily. They're lightweight, so very easy to put in there when you're ready to go. But you have the nice backlit Surveyor name as well, so when you have that porch light on, that's going to be backlit. So at night, in the morning, if you have kids, pets going up and down, just a nice safety feature for you. Oversized grab handle, which is really nice. And then you can see here we've got our sticker for our Arctic package. So what that is, it's 12-volt powered heating pads that go on the tanks. That is an option that you can get if you're somebody who wants to camp later into the season. But let's talk about some of the standard features we've got for extended season camping. We do have ducted heat that flows through the cabinetry. I'll show you inside. But we've got a sealed and heated underbelly, true heated underbelly on this floor plan, and actually on all floor plans that you're going to see in the Surveyor lineup. And what I mean is you've got a sealed underbelly there protecting you from debris going down the road, but a dedicated duct that's going to force air to the underbelly, keeping it warm when you're running your furnace. So a really nice setup there. You've also got aluminum wheels that are going to be standard equipment, black aluminum wheels on every single Surveyor floor plan, which is really exciting. Let's head to the back. I want to show you the outside kitchen setup and a couple more standard features. All right, we're in the back of the 203 RKLE Couples Coach, part of our Legend series. Standard outside kitchen on this 203. Let's check it out. We've got your Suburban Elite Series griddle that's going to mount on this slide out tray. You've got the nice heat shield as well. Mini refrigerator that you're going to have in all of our dual axle setups. And then you've got a nice area here with the cutout, helps put it in and out. But you've got a nice dump sink here as well. And you've also got a freshwater spray port connected to your freshwater tank, which is really nice. But just a nice compact outside kitchen area that you're going to love when you see it. And I want to point out too, you've got a really nice size awning here that covers the entry door with the LED strip lights. You've got a power awning standard as well. Let's check out a couple features here in the back. You've got a standard roof ladder that you're going to see on this 203. So all of our Legend and Grand floor plans, you're going to have a standard roof ladder. And keep in mind, we've got a fully walkable roof, 16 on center trusses, PVC roof up there. A ton of great construction features that we talk about a lot, but standard roof ladder, just keep that in mind on all of our Legends and Grands. You've got backup camera prep as well, and then you've got our optional cargo rack here on the back. Really versatile setup, allows you to take a lot of extra equipment with you. If you want to strap bikes down, you can do that, or you can take firewood, generators, coolers, whatever you want to take. But just a great additional storage area that is optional on the Legend series. That's going to be standard on the Grands. All right, let's head on inside. I want to show you a few things. All right, we're standing in the kitchen of the 203 RKLE, one of my favorite couples floor plans, and here's why. Check out this kitchen, unbelievable amount of space. Look at this countertop that stretches all the way down the coach. Ton of storage in here. Let's check out some features you're going to see in this 203. Standard 32-inch TV, tons of overhead storage. Look at all this overhead storage you got. Beautiful new curio doors in this 203 that go back to the corner as well. But just a ton of storage in here. Check this out. Huge cabinet doors here for some additional storage. And look at all the pull-out drawers you've got for utensils or anything you want. 6 pull-out drawers in this kitchen. Another set of big doors here. You've also got some beautiful windows here, giving you a lot of natural light. Huge window here, which is really nice. You can sit here, work in the kitchen, look at your campsite, and a nice window in the corner as well. You do have power under there as well, so that's a great area for a coffee maker, anything you want to do there. But let's check out how big this sink is. Huge sink. We gave you a very functional sink cover as well. So this is going to help you dry dishes. So when you're working in the kitchen, doing dishes on one side, you can easily dry them here on the other side as well. Let's check out some of the appliances we've got here in this 203. So you've got the Furrion appliance package for 2023, which we are really excited about. You've got the Furrion range here with the glass cover, cast iron top here, and then a really nice safety feature from Furrion. When you turn these knobs, it's going to light up red, letting you know that the gas is on. So just a great safety feature there. You've got the nice slim range vent here, and then also the Furrion microwave. So a new feature for 2023 we are really excited about is the real wood cutting board, residential cutting board that's going to come in almost every single floor plan, all your Legends and all your Grand Surveyors. But it's real wood, food grade tested, just a great feature. And of course you have your spatula holder here and your knife block that we continued for 2022. But just an amazing amount of space here in this 203 kitchen. If you're somebody who likes to work in the kitchen, you're not going to believe this kitchen until you step inside it. So keep that in mind. All right, let's check out this refrigerator setup here. So usually we've got a 10 cubic foot black glass Furrion. That's our new feature for 2023. It is 12 volt power, which pairs really nicely with the standard solar setup that we've got here. What you're going to see in this floor plan is our optional 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. If you're somebody who wants to use gas for your refrigerator when you're camping, that is available. Typically it's used by our West Coast dealers, but it is an available option if you, the customer, prefer gas over the 12 volt fridge. So that's a nice option for you as well. Let's head into the bathroom. I'll show you some great features we got. All right, we're inside the 203 RK bathroom. A ton of space in here and a ton of great features. We've got a nice area for linen storage here, some nice big cabinet doors in the vanity. You've got a standard porcelain toilet that you're going to see in all of our floor plans. Nice set of residential towel hooks for you. We've got a beautiful medicine cabinet here that's got a nice residential mirror look, but with storage behind it. You've got a toothbrush holder that's standard as well, with some great additional storage there. You've got an upgraded shower enclosure here, but a nice big shower with the skylight. But this Irvine shower door is a very cool feature and a huge upgrade at this price point. It's going to be a mildew resistant material. It's going to squeegee itself. Very easy to maintain. So this bathroom has some incredible features, but a ton of space as well. Let's head into the dining area. Some great stuff to show you there. All right, let's check out the dining area of this 203 RKLE. Beautiful booth dinette you're going to see as standard equipment here in the 203. What I love about these booth dinettes, they're very comfortable to sit for adults. You don't typically find that in a smaller U-shape or even some of the bigger U-shapes. They look bigger. They just really don't function that well for 4 adults. You can sit here, play cards, eat dinner with 4 people very comfortably. So keep that in mind. Nice decorative dinette light here as well. You've got our easy access dinette storage. This is a very cool feature. It just makes it easier to access this dinette storage area. So it's gas strut assisted. It's going to lift up nicely for you, but it's going to allow you to reach those items that might slide to the back of that storage area versus trying to reach through a small cabinet door. So that's Surveyor's easy access storage that you're going to find unique in our brand. I really think that's something you guys are going to like and appreciate when you see it. You've got some nice window areas here as well, ventilated windows, so your slide out windows here, and then a nice big panoramic window as well. Before we head to the bedroom, I want to point out a couple of things. You've got 82-inch interior height here in the Surveyor, so taller ceilings than what you'll typically find. You've also got taller slide outs, 6-foot tall slide outs. So who's just under 6 foot tall, I can step right in here. Just an elevated level of comfort here in this 203. You've also got a 15K Furrion AC. You're going to have a 15K air that's standard equipment in all of our Legend and Grand Surveyor floor plans, so keep that in mind as well. Before we move to the bedroom though, I want to talk about an option that you can sometimes find in this 203. So this is one of the floor plans that you can put a trifold sofa or a theater seat in place of the dinette. And something we did for 2023 that we're really excited about is anytime you do that, you're going to get a removable table. So you're going to get a leg that mounts to the sofa or the theater seat with a removable tabletop, swivels. What's really cool about it is it'll accommodate 2 people if you want to sit there, put some plates, drinks on it, but it swivels so that a single person can use it for a workstation or things like that. So a really cool setup you're going to see in 2023. Let's head to the bedroom here. I want to show you this really cool Murphy bed setup in the 203 RKLE. Beautiful bedroom area. You've got overhead cabinets, which is a nice change for 2023 that we're really excited about. But oversized wardrobes, drawers on both sides. I'm telling you, just a ton of storage in this bedroom area. You've also got 2 drawers on each side, full extension with power and USB below. And then some really nice end tables here on each side of the sofa too, with the built-in cup holders and the Surfex countertops. But just a beautiful setup here in the 203. And don't let me forget, we've got full pull-out drawers underneath the sofa. You don't typically find that. I'm telling you, these are huge drawers, full extension, great space for some additional items you've got, blankets, anything like that. Now let's talk about this bed setup. What really separates our Murphy bed from others is that we've got a 60 by 80 residential mattress that's going to fold down here. Most Murphy beds are going to be a RV queen, a short queen, 74-inch bed. This is an 80-inch bed. So you're gaining 6 inches of space here. So if you're a taller person, this is going to mean a lot to you. But this is a very easy setup to use. This is a very lightweight piece. You've got a nice easy latch here. The bed's going to fold down. And again, 60 by 80 bed, very rare in this kind of setup. You've got the nice decorative pillow there, beautiful front wall there with the Legend front window. And we give you some additional storage here as well. We've got the cubby area with the built-in cup holders. And what's cool about this, it actually has a hidden area below it with power hookups as well. So if you've got CPAPs, other devices you want to hook up back there, you can run the cords down, hook up those devices. But just a really cool setup. But I'm telling you, this functions really well. Just a ton of space and a ton of storage for you. And I'll show you how easy it is to put back. Latches really nicely. So very easy to use there. So a couple things I want to show you before we wrap up. So again, back to this beautiful kitchen area here. As you can see, we've got ducted heat, again, that runs through the cabinetry. But let me remind you, we've got that that duct that forces air to the underbelly. So you're really set up for extended season camping. But before we finish up, I want to show you another standard feature for 2023. We've got a nice piece of marketing material that's going to show you where our standard central vac is at. This is a very cool setup. It's designed for you to sweep right into it, so when you're cleaning out your unit, instead of trying to sweep out the entry door, you've got a nice little kick up here with the light on it. So you're going to see that there, really easy thing to use, but you're going to see it on all Surveyor floor plans. So standard equipment across the board, but it's also going to come with an accessory kit that's going to have hoses and some other things with it. So very exciting for 2023. Let's head outside and we'll wrap up. All right, we're wrapping up the tour of this 203 RKLE, part of our Surveyor Legend series. Again, I want to remind you this is just over 25 feet and it's right at 5,000 pounds. So versatile in terms of size, weight, very easy to tow, but it's going to allow you to go wherever you want to go, which is very cool, and not put a lot of pressure on your tow vehicle. And there's a way we're able to accomplish those light weights. It's because of our durable construction, our aluminum structure. We've got aluminum framing all the way around, so side walls, floors, rear walls, slide outs, you've got aluminum framing. And every hole you see on here, baggage doors, windows, it's all got aluminum structure around it. So it's going to help this product stand the test of time and just be a nice product for you as long as you want to have it. We've also got Azdel composite material behind the fiberglass. So everywhere you see fiberglass on these Surveyor trailers, you've got Azdel composite material behind it. If you're not familiar with Azdel, it's a composite material, a man-made product that's impervious to water, so it's going to protect you from moisture, protect you from rot, mold, and delamination as well. But just a really solid built product. We've got laminated sidewalls, laminated floors, rear walls, and slide outs completely. We talked about the fully walkable roof with the PVC membrane. So we've got some incredible construction features that go along with this product, making it one of the best built on the market. So keep that in mind. But if you like what you saw, please find a local dealer and try to check out the 203 in person. I know you're going to love the floor plan and what we did for 2023. But for more information, you can go to our website. It's forestriverinc.com/surveyor.